Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss problems on vectors. Welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. Please like this if you like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel and share your valuable comments in the comment section. Let us go to the today's topic, problems on vectors. Okay, next go to the problem number 1. If a bar is equals to 3I bar plus 4j bar and b bar is equals to 5I bar minus 12j bar are the vectors having the same magnitude as b bar and parallel to a bar. This is the given question and we will write the solution. Given a bar is equals to 3I bar or cap, 3I cap plus 4j cap, and b is equals to 5I cap minus 12j cap. Now, if vector C bar is parallel to A bar, if vector C bar is parallel to A bar and has magnitude as B bar, then formula for C bar is equals to modulus of B bar into A cap, where A cap is the unit vector parallel to A bar. A cap is a unit vector parallel to A bar. Okay. Now first we'll find A bar is A cap. Unit vector of A cap is A bar by modulus of A bar, that is equals to, given A bar is 3I plus 4j bar by modulus of A bar gives I component 3 plus j component 4, 3 square plus 4 square, that is equals to 3I cap plus 4j cap by root of 9 plus 16, that is equals to 3I cap plus 4j cap by 5. Okay. Next. Given B is equals to 5I bar plus minus 12j bar, that is equals to, now we are finding modulus of B bar, that is equal to square root of 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square 25 and 12 square 144, it gives 13. Next, therefore C modulus of C bar is equals to B bar modulus of B bar into A cap, that is equals to 13 into A, the value of A cap is 3I plus 4j by 5. So modulus of C bar is equals to 13 by 5 of 3I bar plus 4J bar. Okay, this is about the calculating magnitude as B bar and parallel to the A bar. C bar is the parallel to A bar and has magnitude as B bar. Then C bar is equals to modulus of C bar is equals to modulus of B bar and A cap. This is the formula, and finally we are getting answer. Modulus of C bar is equals to 13 by 5 into 3I bar plus 4J bar. Go to the next problem. What is the area of a triangle formed by A bar is equals to 2I bar minus 3J bar plus 4K bar, and B is equals to I cap minus K cap and their resultant. So this is the question. In this question they are asking that finding the area of the triangle formed by given A bar is equals to 2I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap, and B bar is equals to I cap minus K cap. Finding the resultant. So given A bar is equals to, let's come to the solution. Given A bar is equals to, or A cap, 2I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap, and B bar is equals to I cap minus K cap. Finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to half into A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar. That is equals to half modulus of I bar, J bar, K bar, I, J, K, and the components. A components 2 minus 3, 4. B components I 1, J 0, K minus 1. Calculating this, half into I of 3 minus 0 minus J of minus 2 minus 4 plus K of plus 3, that is equals to half of 3I minus minus plus and plus 6J plus 3K bar, and finding next. Go to the next. Half of, here we are calculating modulus of, that is root of 3 square 9 plus 6 square 36 plus 3 square 9, that is equals to half into root of 54. We are getting this 13.5 units, root of 13.5 units. This is the area of the triangle. The resultant is equals to root of 13.5 units. Okay. Next, go to the next problem. Go to the next question. That is third question. A bar is equals to I I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap, and B bar is equals to 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap, the component of A bar in the direction of B bar. Okay. A cos theta is, now let us come to the solution. A cos theta is component of A bar in the direction of B bar. A bar in the direction of B bar. That is, A cos theta is equals to A bar dot B bar modulus by modulus of B bar. That is equals to A bar dot B bar. Given A bar is equals to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and B bar is equals to 2 I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. A bar dot B bar. Here I component 1, here I component 2, 2 ones 2, here minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 2's 4, here 1 and here also 1. So k dot k, that is 1 plus 1 modulus by square root of component of B is I component to 2 square plus j component also 2 square plus k component 1. Here 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 4 minus 1. In the modulus we are getting plus 4 plus 4 plus 1, total root 9, that is equals to 1 by 3. So A cos theta is component of A bar in the direction of B bar, that is equals to 1 by 3. This is the answer. Next go to the, now A cos theta is component of A bar in the direction of B bar. Formula for this is A cos theta is equal to modulus of A bar dot B bar by modulus of B bar. Okay, that is equals to, here modulus of 2 minus 4 plus 1 by square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 1. 1 by root 9. Root 9 is equals to 3. So A cos theta is equal to 1 by 3. This is the answer. Next go to the next question. That is fourth question. Two forces 2 I bar plus 2 j bar plus 5 k bar and 3 I bar minus 5 j cap minus 4 k cap act together on a body and produces displacement 18 I cap plus 17 j bar minus 7 k bar. The work done is, work done W is equals to F into S. Here two forces are there. So we should add the two forces. First we are finding the, let us come to the solution. That is, two forces F is equals to F1 plus F2. Here 2 plus 3 5. So 5 I cap minus 2, here minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 j cap plus minus 4 plus 5 1. 1 k cap. Now work done W is equals to F dot S, that is equals to 5 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap, either 1 k cap or k cap. Dot product of displacement, given displacement is 18 I cap plus 17 j cap minus 7 k cap. Now we are doing dot product. 5 18s are 90 or 18 5s are 90 minus 17 3s are 51. I dot j, I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1, minus 1 into 7, 1 into minus 7, minus 7, that is equals to 32 joules. Okay, this is the calculation of work done. W is equal to F into S. Here they are asking that finding the work done. We should add two forces, F1 plus F2, 5 I cap minus 3 J cap plus K cap. W is the work done. Work done is equal to F dot S. Substituting F and S, 90 minus 51 minus 7, that is equal to 32 joules. Okay, let us go to the next problem. That is fifth one. What is the vector component of 3 I bar plus 4 J cap along I cap and J cap? So let us go to the solution. Component of A bar and B bar is A bar dot B bar into B bar by modulus of B bar square. Now we are calculating first A bar dot B bar, that is equals to, given A bar as 3 I cap plus 4 J cap, dot product of I cap plus J cap, that is equals to 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7, and again calculating modulus of B bar whole square, that is root of 1 plus 1 whole square, that is root 2 whole square. Square root cancel 2. Substituting in this formula, component of A bar and B bar is equals to 7. This is A bar dot B bar and B bar. B bar given I cap plus J cap. I cap plus J cap by the value of modulus of B bar whole square, that is 2. So 7 by 2 I cap plus J cap. This is the final answer. Okay, thanks for watching this video.